Welcome, smoke lovers. Today we're embarking on a flavorful journey where we explore the intricate art of smoking salmon in a pellet smoker, one that's sure to leave your taste buds enamored. And just what is a pellet smoker, you might ask? It's a versatile outdoor cooker that combines elements of a smoker, barbecue, and a wood-fired oven, perfect for creating that crisp, smoky flavor we all know and love. We begin with a salmon fillet, a fresh, succulent piece of fish that's begging to be seasoned. And speaking of seasoning, we're going to use a concoction that can tickle any palate. A mix of brown sugar, sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. The brown sugar caramelizes beautifully, giving the salmon a sweet and smoky exterior. Sea salt, on the other hand, enhances the natural flavors of the fish, while the black pepper adds a much-needed kick. Once you have your salmon fillet seasoned, let it sit and marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. You might be tempted to cut this time short, but patience truly is a virtue here. The longer the salmon sits, the more flavor it will absorb, resulting in a deliciously rich and flavorful end product. Moving on, while your salmon is marinating, preheat your pellet smoker to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard that right, 225, the perfect temperature for a slow, steady smoke that will gently cook your salmon to perfection. Take this time to relax, maybe prep some sides for your meal. After all, good things come to those who wait. Now, once the smoker's ready, take your marinated salmon out of the fridge. It's time for the main event. Place the salmon skin side down on the rack, the heat from the smoker gently warming its skin. Close the lid and let the pellet smoker work its magic. Your salmon should smoke for about an or until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. A handy meat thermometer is your best friend here, ensuring you get your salmon cooked just right. And the end result? A beautifully smoked salmon, golden brown and glistening, with a delicate, flaky inside and a crispy, smoky outside. A true delight, all in the comfort of your own backyard. Remember, patience is key when smoking. The process might be long, but the satisfaction of biting into perfectly smoked salmon is worth every minute spent. Until next time, keep the smoke rolling,